Welcome guys. Let's do MBOX technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please watch this video until end because this is very important video and I am going to show you immediate short-term target, my long-term target and the target of this bull run. So please watch this video until end. Current rank of MBOX is 317 and current price of MBOX is $5.53. Actually it is a gaming token. I will give you all information regarding that. Current market cap of this token MBOX is $164 million, which is good. 24-hour trading volume of MBOX is 121 million. Circulating supply of MBOX is just 29 million, which is very small, and this is why this token having huge potential. And total supply of this token is just 400 million, which is very small. I will show you the website later. Let me please show you some statistics first. And this token was launched on Tuesday 13 April 2021 and the price was just $3.59 and after that price goes to 10.17, in some charts $12. All-time high of this token was on August 27, 2021 and the price was $10.70 and all-time low of this token was on June 2020 to June 22, 2021 and the price was just 49 cents about 3 months ago. And all-time high was just 23 days ago. And let me please show you some other statistics. In 30 days it gives 16% profit to its holders and it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, PancakeSwap and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus absolutely free. And friends, I have an offer for all new users. If you registered your Binance account using my affiliate link and complete intermediate KYC and give me proof on Telegram or Twitter, I will pay you $20 immediately. This offer is for all new users. Let me please show you the website. This is the website. I was told you that this is a gaming token and here you can see it is the price and it is the market cap of this token, and these games you can play in this website and you can play and earn cryptocurrency by playing this, and that is a very huge potential. This token having very huge potential, and that is why gaming token, you all know that having very bright future. And here you can see MBOX listed on Binance Launchpad, number 1 Launchpad, and it is GameFi and NFT farmer 120 million plus traders, 320k plus players community, and that is very huge. And free to play to earn. Visit this website by your own and let me please show you the charts and my targets. Friend, this is MBOX 4-hour Binance chart, and here you can see price of the MBOX is at $5.5 right now. After creating top at $10.9, price is in this correction zone, and it is correction of about, let me please show you, 50% near about, and price goes to 59% down, and now it is at 50% down, and that is huge correction, and that is the time to buy this token. And if you want to buy this token, please do your own research. First of all, this is very important support zone, $5.5, and after that this $4.5 support zone. These are two major support zones for MBOX, and this is the horizontal resistance is at $7.3 and the main resistance is at $10.6. Once it hold MBOX hold this area, in that case our first target will be this zone, $7.20. I think this is very realistic, and our immediate short-term target, and it can hit this target very soon, because I know that this token can hit and the price can hit this immediately. I think so in some days price is going to hit this zone. Once it break this zone, in that case next target will be, and sorry for that, next target will be like this, $9.33. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please show me your support and join me on Telegram and Twitter too. These are immediate short-term target. Our first target is $7.2 and our second target is $9.3. And if unfortunately MBOX price break this major support zone, in that case price can go down to $4.5. It can happen, but I don't think, maybe price is going to pull back from that zone too. And let me please show you one thing, and that is very interesting thing. Here you can see this is the trend line, and look at that point. MBOX candles break this towards downside, and now it is trying to hold this support zone. Once it's hold this support zone, in that case it is going to retest this zone again, and if it break this trend line, in that case next target is this zone. Note down these targets, and let me please remove this. And if I put fib retracement tool from top to bottom, then I will show you the retracement levels. Let me please show you. Here you can see MBOX is currently trying to hold this golden pocket 0.61 area. Once it holds this, in that case next major zone is 0.5 fib retracement tool, fib retracement level, and it is at 6.35. after that 0.35, which is $7.30. and once it broke this, in that case 0.78 fib retracement level, and price can go down to $3.8. But I don't think so price can go down to hit this. I think price will move, have to hold this zone. Once it holds this zone 0.68, in that case next target is 6.4 and $7.3 will be the targets. And let me please show you my next chart. And first of all I have to show you weekly chart, and here you can see this is the weekly chart, and I have to put this fib retracement tool, and here you can see it is trying to hold this zone, and it is 0.61 golden pocket, and price is at $5.52. Once it holds this, in that case next target is 0.5 Fibonacci level, and price can hit $6.46. after that 0.38, $7.50, and after that 0.23, $8.76. These are the levels to hold. And if unfortunately MBOX break this towards downside, in that case next support zone is at this level 3.88, and it is the 0.78 Fibonacci level. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart, and here you can see it is in this horizontal box and horizontal zone. You can say after hitting several times this zone, it is fails to break this, and the major support is at $4.5. Major resistance is at $6.61. Let me please label on this. This is, and this is 2, and Once it hit this zone, maybe it can hit 4.38, maybe. In that case, it have to bounce back, and once it break this horizontal resistance, in that case next target will be like this. I have to show you. Please watch this video until end, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. The like target of this video is just 30 likes. Please give me 30 likes on this video. And this is the target. Once it broke this area, in that case $8.74 will be the target, and next target will be this area, $9.43, and after that this area, $10 price area. We have to wait and we have to watch it very clearly. And let me please show you one thing very important. Here you can see this is the trend line, and unfortunately candles are below. Once candles break this trend line, in that case uptrend will begin for MBOX, and new rally of MBOX definitely is going to start once MBOX break this area. This area is very important, very important area, this area, and it is at $6 to $7 price area. Once MBOX break this area, in that case next target is 8.75 and $10. These are the targets. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you CPR levels. These are monthly CPR levels, and candles are far below from monthly CPR main support levels. These yellow dots are main support level for MBOX, and here you can see it hit first bearish target, and the second bearish target is $2.42, and third bearish target is 49 cents. But I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. I think now price have to move towards upside and hit this target, and this is exactly at same point, $8.74. Here you can see, and our first target, once it break this area, in that case our first CPR target, monthly CPR target, is this area, $12.43 price area, and after that this area, $15.54 price area, and after that this area, $18.95, you can say $19 price area. These are the areas we have to watch, and these yellow lines are yellow dots are very important. Once MBOX break this area, these CPR levels, in that case MBOX have to hit these CPR levels, and these are three levels monthly CPR levels and monthly CPR targets. And let me please hide this, and let me please note down these levels, because I want to show you the target of MBOX in this bull run. For this I have to take this tool, here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart, and let me please do this. Currently it is holding this zone, the least zone, and 0.23, and after that it can hit $6.60 and this zone, but I have to show you the levels. For that I have to manage this this chart, so please let me please do this, because I want to see you all levels clearly. Here you can see now my target for the bull run and the target for the MBOX is this zone. $25 to $30 is the target for MBOX. I think price of the MBOX can hit this zone, 2.61 level to 3.61 level, and maybe 3.61 level to 4.2 levels, and price can hit $25 to $30 price area. This area is very, very important, and this is my target. This area is my target. And this is the target. Let me please show you. This is the target. I think $30 is very, 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 very realistic target. Maybe, and it can easily hit this. This is time to buy this token, guys. And if you want to buy this, go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and Binance Exchange link. Click on Binance Exchange link and create your account. And after intermediate KYC, contact with me on Telegram and Twitter. And once you do this, after that I will give you $20 immediately in USDT TRC. Thanks for the watching, and thanks for the support. Please like this video and share this video with all of your friends. Take care.